Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be showing you how to edit forms. The first thing you're going to want to do when you log in is click on Applications and Forms. Here you will see all of your forms, and what you will do is click on the name of your form. Once you click on the name of your form, you're going to see at the top here a few different tabs. The one that you're going to click on is Builder. Once you click on Builder, you will be able to see the form itself. Make sure you're in editor mode, and here you will be able to edit your form, whether that be moving things around so you can pick up things and move them around here. You can also delete things that are not needed. For example, you can delete this. You can also add fields. So if I wanted to add a text field here, I can do that. You can edit it by clicking on the pencil and entering in what you would like to use. So student name, for example. You can decide if you want to make it required or an optional field. You can also enter in if you would like this to be multiple lines or only one line. You can add other fields such as date fields, checkboxes, radio lists, things like that, number fields for phone numbers, for example. You can also add layout items, so you can add a title, such as this title. You can also add in here a paragraph. You can also add columns, which look like this. So you'll have two different columns, and then you can add in here what you want to go into each of these fields or columns. So I can add a text field for this one, and then I can add, for example, a number field here. You can also add an image. So if I wanted to add an image to the top here, and then you can click on the pencil. Here you will either add in the URL for where the photo is coming from, or you can upload a file that you would like to upload to go into the form. So there's a lot of different functionalities that you can do here. The most important part is after you're done editing to click Save Changes. If you want to view what the form looks like in the perspective of the person filling it out, you can click on Preview, and it's going to give you a preview mode of how you will be able to actually use this form and how you can type in here, things like that. So you'll have the ability to kind of play around with it using this. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.